Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial and review. If you went to school or work in corporate anytime in the last decade, you probably remember Prezi. It was that presentation tool that zoom in, zoom out, and made half your audience dizzy while the other half thought it was the coolest thing ever, okay? Well, it's now 2026 and Prezi is back, but this time it has like a massive AI brain. So today we're basically like doing a deep dive into Prezi AI, and we're going to, walk step by step through how to build a dynamic non-linear presentation from absolutely nothing but a text prompt, okay? And we're also gonna review this. So let's jump right into the tutorial, guys. So guys, first thing is first, okay? Getting started. On your Prezi dashboard, you'll see this, window that is basically created with AI button. And this is gonna be like your magic wand. So instead of starting at a blank white slide, you just tell Prezi what you need. Okay, so what I'm gonna type is in a prompt for an organic dog food called brand called Bark and Bite. So that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna paste in this prompt in here, and then you can also upload like a file, or you can start from a document. But yeah, I'm just gonna start from blank, okay? And I'm gonna select your newest model, which is 3.0 Craft. So let's click on Create with AI. Now, within seconds, Press is gonna give us like an outline. So once you approve it, the AI is gonna build the entire presentation, okay? So let's wait a few seconds. As you can see, it's generating everything in real time, so that's pretty good because then you can look at the state of it. Okay, so that's great. Also, as you can see, the structure of this looks very similar to like a PowerPoint or like to a Google Slides. It's nothing like weird, so it's very familiar for you. So guys, as you can see, in just like a matter of seconds, it has created 13 slides, okay, ready to use. Unfortunately, the text is not really perfect, and really, it doesn't, provide like a lot of context towards the brand. But maybe it's because they didn't give it like enough details. But yeah, you can give it more details, okay? But it should have gathered that it's about dogs. So maybe this style shouldn't be like more oriented towards like dogs. Also, you can see the text looks a little bit weird here, so I'm gonna have to expand it probably. But yeah. Okay, now the drafts are great, but they're just drafts, okay? So here's what Prezi AI editing tools sign. So let's say, for example, this paragraph here is like too dense, okay? What I can do in here is I can click on edit, and that's gonna kind of select, this slide here, and it's gonna make context to slide 3, and I can just say, simplify the text, okay? Simplify the text, and we can just run it. And the AI is going to give it some help in doing so. Alright? So it's just going to scan the context and automatically bold the most important phrases so that they pop and like maybe make it more, concise. Now, if for whatever reason you're looking for another style, maybe what you can do is you can come to the designers and you can select like more of a template in here. Okay, they have like a bunch of templates, so yeah. And what's more, you can add your own branding, okay, by pulling your colors from a website or from your logo. But I recommend that sometimes you just have to give it in the prompt, okay? Also, guys, remember you have like this view of Prezi that you can zoom in and zoom out very simply. And if you click in one of the slides, you're just gonna get directed to it, okay? So that's pretty good as well. Now guys, you're not just limited to stock photos because Prezi AI also has like a built-in image generator, okay? So if you need like a highly specific image, like a golden retriever, okay, you can just generate it in here and you can, reference it in a slide, and that's gonna put it in that particular slide, okay, in about 10 seconds. Now percent is very simple, you just have to click on percent. And what you can do is you can play with your arrows for the keyboard. As you can see, if I press the right, it's gonna go to the first slide, then the second, then the third, so on, so on. It's really beautiful, it's very simple stuff, okay? So you can totally do this. So is this the ultimate presentation maker in 2026? Well, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros is the visual storytelling, okay? Nothing beats the zooming canvas for showing how ideas connect. It's light years ahead of linear slides for keeping an audience awake. Also, you have a very good AI speed because the prompt to deck generation is stopped here. And the as artificial intelligence refiners and layout transformers save hours of formatting. And also you have like hybrid presenting, okay? Prezi is still the undisputed king for virtual meetings. Now let's talk about the cons, of course, okay? The cons, in my opinion, is that you have a lot of export problems because if your box demands like a PPTX file, Prezi is gonna struggle. You can export PowerPoint, but it completely flat as a presentation, okay? You lose all of the animation and a lot of the clean um, things, the clean designs. Also, you have a lot of lack of data charts, like you have some infographics in here. They're cool, but they're not as complete as other tools. So if you're a financial analyst, you should look elsewhere, okay? Because it's not gonna do it for you. And also, you might have some motion sickness, okay? I have to mention it. If you build your deck with too many rapid spinning transitions, you will give your audience vertigo. So keep the camera movements smooth and logical. Now about the pricing, you have the plus and the premium plan for 15 and 25 euros a month. And is that good? Well, it depends on how much you use it, I guess. Okay, if you're an educator, a marketer, storyteller, or someone pitching a creative idea, yes, that's gonna be worth it. But if you work more in like traditional finance, data analytics, or a company strictly tied to Microsoft templates, I definitely do not recommend it because it's very restrictive. Okay, but yeah, this is a phenomenal tool, and thank you so much. See you later.